Welcome to our channel. Verifying your Coursera certificate ensures employers and institutions can confirm the authenticity of your completed courses. Step 1. Complete all course requirements, including videos, quizzes, assignments, and any final exams to earn your certificate. Step 2. Once you've passed the course, navigate to the course page and look for the certificate option in your accomplishments. Step 3. Download your certificate as a PDF file by clicking the download button, which you can share digitally or print. Step 4. Each Coursera certificate contains a unique verification URL that links to Coursera's verification system. Step 5. Share your certificate URL with employers or institutions who want to verify your credentials' authenticity. Step 6. Recipients can click the verification link to view an official Coursera page confirming your completion and grade. Step 7. Add your certificate to your LinkedIn profile by using LinkedIn's certification section and including the Coursera URL. Step 8. Keep a copy of your certificate in a secure digital folder for future reference and professional portfolio purposes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.